Okay guys, now we are going to continue with this time section 11.4. We're going to talk about volumes specifically about of prisms and cylinders. There is a standard formula for this. Calculation of that volume is basically multiplying the area of the base, whatever shape it has. And in this case, for prisms, we might have rectangles, squares, triangles, or the special one we have that has a circle. In this case, it's called a cylinder. So any shape, any figure that has this kind of shape that is surrounded by polygons, in the case of the prisms, we are just going to take this into account. Okay, so with that, we are going to, with this in mind, we are going to solve two exercises. The first one is finding the volume of a cylinder that has the base of this circle with the radius 6, and as you can see, this cylinder is slanted, so make sure that you measure the height in the right way. In this case, it's 10 yards. So we just take into account what the formula is telling us. So it means that the volume in this case is going to be the area of the base. The area of the base is this face right here that is calculated by multiplying pi by radius square, which is 6 squared, and then you multiply it by the height, which in this case is 10. And this is going to be 360 pi if you want to report it in the exact way, but we usually use decimals and give some approximate answers for that. And in that case, we are going to see that the volume of this figure is 1130.4 cubic yards. Okay, and that's all. It's just using the formula. It's pretty simple. All right. Now, if we want to do this other kind of exercise, it's kind of the other way around, and now you know how it works, okay? So you are given the volume, and you are given some of the dimensions, so you just have to find the missing dimension in this case. The area, sorry, the volume, in this case it's given, so it's 240. Now, we want to know what the area of the base is. The base is composed by this length and this depth or width, so it's going to be 8 multiplied by x, and then the height, which is 5. All right, and the rest of the process is just solving for x, which is going to be 240 equals 40x, and if you solve for x, you will notice that x equals 6 meters. And that's it. Thank you.